Hi everyone, it's Mary Kay here, and I'm the Grammy from Grammy Square. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Tunisian simple stitch. I have a Tunisian crochet hook with a cable on it, plus yarn. Let's get started with the foundation row. Create a slip knot and then chain the number of stitches you want for your project. We'll start with the forward pass. Pick up a loop for every chain and keep them on the hook. At the end of the row, you'll have a loop for every stitch. Yarn over and pull through one. Oops, I got two there, sorry. Yarn over, pull through two for the rest of the row until you have one loop left on your hook. Now we'll start the simple stitch, which is very much like the foundation row. Each stitch has a vertical bar, and you're going to insert your hook into each one of them and pull up a loop, just like you did with the foundation row. For the last stitch, go through the bar and then turn your work and go through the second half of that stitch. Then pull up a loop, and the backward pass will be the same. Yarn over, pull through one, then yarn over, pull through two, all the way back until you have one loop left on your crochet hook. Now repeat those rows. I've completed several rows and I'm ready to bind this off. To do that, I will do basically the same thing. Insert your hook into the next bar, pull up a loop, and then yarn over, pull through two. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through two, and continue like that to the end of the row. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel, share, and leave me a comment. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.